Hi, today we're talking about what to expect when your civil trial actually starts. As you prepare for your civil trial to start, you must make sure that you have brought two sets of all the documents submitted to court. One is for the witness and one is for yourself to use. You must also bring enough writing material and stationery if you want to take notes. On the day of the actual trial, you must arrive early and try to find your way to the right court on time. After arriving, you must inform the court officer that you've arrived and then confirm that your case is fixed for that specific day in court. If you're late or absent for your trial, the case can proceed in your absence. Your action can also be sometimes dismissed or the judgment entered against you. You must be dressed appropriately in court. You must avoid untidy or unclean dressing. When the judge enters and leaves the courtroom, you should stand up and you should bow as a show of respect for the court. You must also remain standing whenever you address the court, and you must address the judge as Your Honor. The lawyer on the other side, you can refer to them as the learned counsel, and the witnesses you can be referred to by their name, Mr. So-and-so or Madam So-and-so. You must not interrupt the judge or the lawyer when they are speaking, because you need to wait for them to complete their delivery before you take your turn. Okay, you should wait for the judge or the lawyer for the other side to finish speaking before you then stand up and ask for permission to raise any further points. When the trial starts, it usually follows this order. A. The opening statements will be delivered. The parties' opening statements would have been submitted to the court in advance before the trial, and the court would then typically ask for the opening statements to be considered to have been read. If this takes place, the parties need not actually read through the complete document, and they can proceed to the examination of the witnesses. B. The examination of the witnesses takes place, and in the civil trial, the plaintiff will present and start his case first by calling his witness. When the witness is on the stand and giving evidence, the rest of the witnesses, both for the plaintiff and the defendant, must wait outside the courtroom. The plaintiff's witnesses on the stand, when they are actually on the stand giving evidence, they will be given the opportunity to ask questions first. The plaintiff will do this first. This is called the examination in chief, sometimes called the EIC, as the evidence requested or intended by each party to be delivered would already have been found in the affidavit of evidence in chief. Usually the EIC is quite short. After taking the oath, the witness is usually asked to confirm his name, his identity, to confirm that he's the person who has made this affidavit. He will also be asked to confirm that the contents of the affidavit are true and correct. After the examination in chief or EIC is complete, the defendant's lawyer, or the defendant himself if he doesn't have a lawyer, will be entitled to ask the witness questions. This is called the cross-examination of the witness, the opportunity to challenge the evidence given by the plaintiff's witness, essentially, and this is very important. You can ask the witness to confirm whether he saw or he knew certain things, and you can also rely on documentary evidence to contradict the evidence given by this witness. Questions that are intended to insult or to embarrass or the witness are not allowed. Questions which are not relevant to the case can also be objected to by the other party and also by the judge. After the cross-examination has taken place, the plaintiff can ask some questions to clarify the answers, and this is called the re-examination of the witness. After all the plaintiff's own witnesses have testified and given evidence in court, the plaintiff will then tell the court that he has closed his case. And then the defendant's witnesses will then have their turn to testify in the same way before the court. And the procedure for the examination of the defendant's witnesses is the same as that was involved for the plaintiff's witnesses. So there you have it, some very basic information on what to expect when your civil trial actually starts. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.